So let me start, since we are in the UAE, so let me start with Mr. Wagle, you being the host because you are in the UAE. Um, you have been in label business for a very long time, Mr. Wagle. So where do you see label business going in terms of volume? Where do you see it is going in the next 5 years? And what is driving volume growth in label business?
Uh, let's start with the label business in UAE. So, label is something which you need for every product. You specify any industry, logistics, pharma, then courier, cargo, any industry. You require labels. And when you talk about volumes, there you can make labels also in offset, definitely. But when you talk about volumes, there you see Flexo as an mainstream where you make the volume business. Understand? In UAE, what is happening is people are growing, industries are growing. Even the market is growing here. And now you see now Expo is also coming here. So automatically I'm seeing that there are a lot of new companies coming in. New developments are going on. So because of that, definitely the business is growing. But I would specifically say that business is growing, but definitely business is also distributing among the people. Because suppose there is a food industry X. Now some employees from the X food industry comes and start a Y food industry. Ultimately, the business from X will not increase. Our business increases because now I have two opportunities. I can supply to X, I can supply to Y also. So the business opportunities are growing, but in terms of volume, volumes are day by day reducing with the customers. If you see one particular customer, definitely they have big volume jobs, but they are now also creating jobs which they are particularly for a particular customer in their brand names. So ultimately what is happening is the volumes for that particular brand name, volumes are less as compared to the original companies. So yes, our business has grown. Every year we are growing like 25-30%. But volumes, definitely, each order volumes are definitely reducing now. By how much you can say depends on the customers. For example, I have some customers who are buying 100,000 worth of material, but they sometimes order jobs like 5,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces. I cannot say no to them. Because if I say no to them, they have another supplier who can immediately give him. Because there is a lot of competition, as in labels also. So you have to completely do whatever they need as a customer.
So can I take a leaf from your response
Yeah.
that reducing balance should not worry us because that's an opportunity for us?
Yes, of course.
Yeah?
That is an opportunity,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay, so reducing volume is an opportunity for us. That's the response we need to
Yeah.
take from here. Thank you so much. Thank you.